Today, this my video is very important motorcycle accident. How to find the best motorcycle accident lawyers in easy step. Detail discuss my channel video. Choosing the best motorcycle accident lawyer. How to find the best motorcycle accident lawyer and car accident lawyer guidelines. Finally, the best motorcycle accident lawyer. You will find a lot of options in your town for all steps from personality, injury, and address. How many motorcycle accident case simply to your has a automatic previously in your road accident? What are the different types of motorcycle accident lawyer? How do you know if a motorcycle accident? Video of how to find the motorcycle accident lawyer is very difficult. How to find the best motorcycle accident lawyer in 2023. What personality of the motorcycle accident is a lawyer and emergency accident lawyer should be able he that you a grant areas of headache your case is opening and there are motorcycle accident is a difficult form. The motorcycle accident lawyer forbids admission. Best motorcycle accident lawyer you will be had a option in your growing for the solution and the time of road accident. Thank you so much for your watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.